Welcome to the future of machinery. Today, we'll dive into the cutting-edge equipment where powerful innovation and precision engineering come together to achieve remarkable results. Let's embark on this thrilling adventure now. Each log holds its own power, and every cut is a risk. Respect the wood and stay alert, as once the logs start rolling, they don't care about your experience. Complacency can be dangerous. Always remain vigilant. Check out the Ergo 8W C5, featuring the active frame C5 crane and H8 head. It processes logs up to 30 inches, priced between $275,000 and $385,000. It's a worthwhile investment for boosting output and profits. The La Cruz hydraulic eradicator with its 250 horsepower engine digs up to 4 feet deep, effortlessly removing tough roots. Its 3 rods and toothed roller work seamlessly, powered by an independent hydraulic system for unmatched root removal efficiency. With its impressive power and precision, the Gronofelt Stump shear easily removes stumps up to 40 inches in diameter. It works quickly and cleanly, ensuring minimal disruption to the surrounding area, making stump removal efficient and hassle-free. Step into the world of power with the Vermeer TG5000, a beast in wood processing. Its 540 horsepower Caterpillar engine and duplex drum system slice through timber effortlessly. With a continuous conveyor and advanced cooling, it sets new standards for efficiency in forestry. Meet the brute force 2430 firewood processor, a true powerhouse with a 56 horsepower turbo diesel engine and an efficient hydraulic system. It effortlessly processes logs up to 30 inches, price around $10,300. This machine makes firewood processing faster and easier than ever. With the help of cutting-edge technology, they can process up to 500 cubic meters of timber per day. In the world of large-scale wood-cutting equipment, these machines transform sustainability and efficiency. FAP 1314 logging truck, a truck with a payload of 7,500 to 8,000 kilograms and an engine of 130 to 145 horsepower. The vehicle stands out for its ability to transport timber and heavy materials over difficult terrain. Known for its durability and versatility in harsh working conditions like this. Let's witness a 2-meter long log with a 12-inch diameter being processed by the Cerame 110, featuring a 1.2-meter long saw blade. With its advanced technology and robust design, it delivers precise, efficient cutting, enhanced productivity in wood processing. Check out the Track RTO ST130, a powerful sawmill designed for large logs. With a 1,300mm blade and 168mm rim, it cuts precisely, while its electric guide saw, hydraulic lift, and EO700 carriage streamline operations, processing up to 10 cubic meters per hour. The Rotten H11D Harvester, powered by a 250 horsepower engine, excels in thinning and final felling. Its hydrostatic transmission and articulated frame handle tough terrain, while 360-degree visibility and comfort ensure top performance for the operator. Now, let's take a closer look at the Widiman 1000 debarking machine. This powerful piece of equipment efficiently strips bark from logs ranging from 300mm to 1000mm in diameter. With its 255 kilowatts engine and adjustable speed, it combines high performance with low maintenance, making it a versatile choice for wood processing. The CAT 522B redefines forestry work with its elevated cab and panoramic views. It guarantees strong performance with its 24-inch saw blade and 150 horsepower engine. Even after 150,000 hours of vigorous use, it still performs admirably and provides outstanding value. By adding a potent 250 horsepower engine to the Peterson 5710C, the machine became a powerhouse capable of processing tough materials. With a wood grinding capacity of up to 500 tons per hour, the 5710D offers unparalleled performance and versatility. Doosan D160-7 features a powerful 218 horsepower engine and advanced hydraulic system, designed for heavy-duty timber handling and challenging work environments. Thank you for watching. We hope you found it useful. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join us for more exciting content. See you in the next video.